In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Hello everybody, I'm Mr. Malik and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will discuss a next assignment that is related to chapter 5 of Excel. So first of all, we will open our instruction file. It is just starting opening. Simply press enter, then change the size so it must be visible to everyone. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 5F career programs. We just increase its size, change its color, and here is project description. We just increase size, change its color. Okay. So in today's video, we will discuss Excel 5F career programs, and here is project description. We will discuss this also later. So before going to solve this assignment, let me move toward whole assignment. How many points we have in today assignment? So in today assignment we have just 10 question and 11 is non-graded one. Okay, so we have just 11 question in today assignment. So let me start this assignment step by step. The name of today assignment is Excel 5F career programs. Here is project description. Then in this project you will edit a worksheet with data that have been sorted, filtered and grouped, which analyze delivery modes for programs at Lural College. Okay, so that was simply instruction or description about the project. Okay, so let me start today project step by step. You may follow me, you will get 100% marks. Steps to perform instructions. Open the Excel, this name that we have already downloaded from a Pearson platform. So we have to open that, or we call that a solution file. Okay, it is just starting opening. Then we have to click on enable editing. So question number 1 is done. In question number 1 we have to open the Excel file that we have downloaded from Pearson platform. Now moving toward the next part. On the main east-west worksheet, okay, main east-west worksheet, insert a table using the range A1 to J10. We have to insert the table using range A1 to J10. So first we have to select the table A1 to J20, then insert table and simply press OK. Then display the table style gallery, and then under light in a last row we have to apply first style. Now table style, that is in table design. Now then we move toward light, and in light we have under light in last row apply first style. Last row, this one, first style, this one. So question number 2 is done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. So in question number 2 we have to move toward main east-west worksheet, then insert a table using the range A1 to J40. Then display the table styles gallery, and then under light in last row apply first style. We have done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. Now moving toward the next part. Sort the table by compass using custom list in following order. sort the table by compass using custom list. Okay, so we have to select this one, then home, there is editing group, custom sort, and here we have to use compass and compass custom list mean east west. Okay, so we just copy this list from here, then here is a custom list, new list, add, then simply press OK, so that will be done. Then there is one more thing, that Mac user create custom list in Excel preference custom list dialog box. Okay, that node is for Mac user. Okay, then add a second level of sort by division and third level sort by program. Both are in ascending order. Second order is by division and third order is by program name. Okay, both are in ascending order. Simply press OK, so that will be done. So after solving question number 3, and we have earned 10 marks from there. So in question number 3, we have to sort the table by compass using custom list in following order: mean, east, west. There is a short note for Mac user that create a custom list in Excel preference custom list dialog box. Okay, add a second level sort by division and third level sort by program name, both in ascending order. After solving question number 3, we have earned 10 marks from there. Now we are moving toward question number 4. Display the second sheet. Okay, now we have to move toward second sheet. Delivery mode comparison. Yes, that is delivery mode comparison sheet name. Copy the range A6 to G7. Copy the range A6 to G7. Okay. Then paste that range in a cell A1. Where is A1? Here is A1. Paste that. Control V. Then change the title in A1 to criteria. Okay, now we have to change the title to criteria only. Copy this one. Then here we have to simply paste criteria. Then we have to select the range A2 to G3 and name it criteria. A2 to G3, and then name it as criteria. Copy this one, and here we have to paste. So now this is the name for this orange. Okay, so question number 4 is done, and we have earned 10 marks from there. In question number 4, we have to move toward a second worksheet. The name of worksheet is delivery mode comparison. Then copy the range A6 to G7. After copying, shortcut for copy is Control C. Okay, then paste the range to cell E1. Then we just simply click cell E1, and then for paste option we have to paste. Control V is option for paste. Then change the title in cell E1 to criteria. Then select the range A2 to G3 and name it as criteria. So question number 4 is done. After solving question number 4, now we are moving toward question number 5. Copy the range A1 to G2, then paste it in the range A36. Then change the title in cell A36 to online hybrid delivery modes. Then select E37 to G37 and name it as extract. Then again select E7 to G34 and name it as database. So after solving question number 5, we will earn 15 marks from there. So in today assignment, we have just 10 questions. Out of 10 questions, we have done first 5 questions, mean half of assignment is done from my side in today video. So remember that we have done Excel 5F career programs. In start, we just discussed project description. After reading and discussing project description, then we move to a graded part and we have solved first part, that is non-grade one, in which we have to open Excel sheet or we call solution field. Then in question number 2, on the main east-west worksheet, we have to insert a table using the range A1 to J40. Then display the table styles gallery, and then under the light in the last row, we have to apply first style. After solving question number 2, then we move toward question number 3, where we have to sort the table by compass using a custom list in following order: main, east, west. Then make a user create custom list in Excel preference custom list dialog box. Then add a second level sort by division and third level sort by program name, both in ascending order. After solving question number 3, we have earned 10 marks from there. Then we move toward question number 4. Okay, in question number 4, we have to display second sheet. That name is delivery mode comparison. Then copy the range A6 to G7 and then paste the range to cell A1. Then change the title in cell A1 to criteria and select the range A2 to G3 and name it criteria. Then we move toward question number 5, where we have to copy the range A1 to G2 and then paste that range in cell A36. Then change the title in cell A36 to online hybrid delivery modes. Select the range A36 to G37, then name it extract. Select the range A7 to G34, then name this range database. So almost 50% assignment is done from my side in today's video. But if you need complete solution for this file, for that you have to subscribe my channel and you have to contact me on my given WhatsApp number, email ID, Instagram ID. All links are available in video description. Also, there in bottom of this video you may see here is my WhatsApp number and here is my email ID. You may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Or remember that your result will be 100%, file will be ready next 30 minutes and price will be reasonable, so you can easily afford that one. You may also contact me for full course deal. Our deal will be reasonable in price and your marks will be 100%. Remember that I am also expert of other courses, just like if you need help regarding mathematics, stats, English writing, English literature writing, accounting, C++, Java, Linux, textbook project, quizzes, midterm exam, final exam, Tableau project, Power BI project. So whatever you need to help regarding your academic, you may simply contact me. I am available. I will solve and you will get 100% marks in next 30 minutes. Price will be reasonable, result will be 100%, file will be ready in next 30 minutes. So in today's video we have discussed Excel 5F career programs. We will meet soon with our next assignment. So for that you have to subscribe my channel so you can get every latest video from my side. Take care, bye bye, best of luck for your future. Meet soon with our next assignment.